All right, welcome to iFocus Labs onboarding. This one has to do with messaging rates because I'll tell you why. I just checked my phone. I just got banged for $10 from iFocus Labs. Like, what's going on there? But I'll tell you why, and I want to make sure that this doesn't happen to you. And if it does, I want full transparency because I don't want anyone fucking knocking at my door telling me that I'm trying to pull a switcheroo on them or not give them all the facts. So, like I said, access to all the software is fully included, unlimited. The only thing that you would be charged for if you elect to use it is the messaging rates. Okay? So here's what it comes out to. If you're going to put money in, I mean, it's plenty to get you started. You're probably not even going to do calls yet. 355 calls for $10, 635 texts for $10, 7,000 emails for $10. But I'll show you the reason I got hit. It was because I didn't include any complimentary credits because you're only paying $1. I wasn't planning on it, but it appears that if it's going to have to automatically send at least one or two system emails to get you logged in, obviously. So then it would have banged your card for $10, and I don't want that to happen because I want everyone to be happy with me, and I don't want anyone mad at me. So I'm going to show you what it is and how to do it. So let's just go back, pretend for a second. You're in your trial. We're at our media, whatever. It doesn't matter. You want to see your usage, and you want to see if you're getting close. And say you're cutting it close, you don't want to get hit or whatever, or you want to load money and use the messaging. Either way, cool with me. But here's where you go: settings. And then go to company billing. And then it'll show you your plan. You're on the entrepreneur plan. You could also click here to upgrade. This should upgrade you to the iFocus Accelerator if you're interested. If not, no big deal. You can, here's your current payment methods. You can add a card. I don't think that gives any of my info away. It don't matter. And then here's your balance. So like I said, it only used a penny, not even. I'll show you the transactions, but because there was zero on there, it hit my card right away because it needs to run the workflows and it needs to send messages, fully standard messaging rates. I mean, fully understandable. If you don't understand that, then come on, just don't give me a hard time for that one. Here's your transactions. Bang, bang, 2 succeeded. And then, like I said, here's where you can see your transactions. So click this. This is your usage so far this month, last month, previous month. It'll give you the entire breakdown of everything you're using for full transparency, okay? It was just, whatever. And I don't know if I mentioned this yet. So I went back into the subscriptions, and I added $1 of complimentary messages. So like whatever, we're even Steven now. This is a free account, legitimately a free account, but this is the only way I could set it up to be free for you. You pay me $1 per month and I give you back $1 messages per month. All good. All right, no big deal. So like I said, look, it sent 4 emails for like a fraction of a penny. All good. And also let me preface this, be my guest. You take advantage of all of the system's power, especially if you don't even plan on upgrading down the line, like whatever. Use as much as you can. Use what you need to use to run an efficient business. You know what I mean? Don't skimp around, but also don't feel like you have to spend money or use things if you don't have to yet. Maybe take a month, maybe for a couple of days you get your community set up, you invite some members manually, you send some DMs, you get on the phone, you see some people in person. You don't need to use this stuff yet. And then you get a couple members paying you, and then you start automating it. All right? It grows with you. I'm trying to emphasize that enough, and I'm making this additional video to emphasize that point. I'm not trying to pull one over on anybody. I want to give you as many tools and resources as you can to succeed. If you win, I win. You know what I mean? Like, I want you to win because I know everyone can win. It's just people don't know that they can, or they don't know where to start, or they don't know who to talk to, or they don't know what to use, or it's analysis paralysis, or you're overwhelmed by all the information out there. So whatever. So here, take that dollar complimentary credit on me. All right, boom. So yeah, this motherfucker bang me for a 10 piece. Okay, all good. Recharge from wallet. So you can see, like I said, I mean, fractions of a fractions of pennies for these email exchanges, but in the spirit of transparency, and I want you to really know I'm doing this for the right reasons. Like, trust me. Any questions you have, leave me a comment, message me. I want to help. Like, this is a golden opportunity for everyone to get ahead in life. Anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. And guess what? You can do it about anything you want. Now, I know we talked about like the dog walkers and shit in the last video, but like, yo, anything. What do you like to do? What do you love? What do you love to talk about? What are you an expert in? Start it up. And here's another thing. It doesn't have to be your last one. Get it moving, see if you like it, and then you realize, oh shit, I hate working with dog people or whatever. Then you move on. You go to something else. What a little rant for this one. Okay, so anyway, here it is. So hopefully it doesn't bang your card. And guess what? If it does, let me know. But if you're using it, obviously it's going to. But I think the dollar complimentary will give you enough buffer for, I mean, come on. That should last plenty of emails for you, because I think in the beginning you should only be really sending emails. If you want, you can hook up a phone, but I'll tell you, hooking up a phone off the bat will cost like $2. So you have to upload there. I know, big spender, right? $2, but stick with emails in the beginning, and then when you're ready to upgrade. Get one paying member, and it will cover it for you. Okay, all right. So that's it. I just wanted to be transparent. Like I said, here is the charges. You can see them. I put them on the onboarding worksheet. Just like I said, in the spirit of transparency. I don't want anyone giving me a hard time in the messages or the comments that I duped them for an extra $10. That's clearly not the case. But there's people that would say that though, right? So I have to cover all bases, and really, at the end of the day, I just want to prove my why, and like emphasize why I'm really doing this. I'm really doing this so that everybody can win, because everyone can win, because there can be hundreds and thousands of different communities and projects, all tailored to different people. And they resonate with different people. Like, no one's like competing or stepping on anyone's toes, like, because you're unique in yourself. So, God, I can turn a 30-second video into a fucking 10-minute video, can't I? Anyway, all right, I'll end this one here, but there it is. Hopefully it doesn't bang your card. It should work now for the dollar of complimentary credits. If you're in there, let me know, or maybe I'll make a new account to double check anyway. But until next video, toodaloo.